Hey, Justin here. So if you're around the MC Mobile or compact machine control world for Topcon very long, you'll hear the measure, design, build workflow that gets talked about a lot. One thing in Pocket 3D version 15 that I don't think gets talked about nearly enough is quick codes. So if you see on the right-hand side of the screen here, you'll see that QC. Um, Oftentimes I check out guys' data collectors and nobody has anything under this. Want to just show real quick how to go set up quick codes. So let's say you're a concrete guy and you want to go collect some existing stuff. Let's see if we go to tools, measure topo, and I'm going to go to quick codes and new. So let's say I'm going to go collect some back of curb shots. Put those in a new layer. I'm going to call it back of curb. What I'm going to do here, I only want to collect points, so I'm going to turn off this create polyline. If I was going to be creating, collecting a building line or something like that, I could create polyline, but I just want back a curb line, just the points. So I'm going to go OK. So let's say we're also going to get our edge of paving. Light blue. And let's say we're also going to go get some finished floor shots. And of course, you don't have to use these tiny abbreviations, but I'll show you in a minute why it's pretty useful for quick codes. There we go. So there's our three: back of curb, edge of paving, finished floor. So, all right, let's say we're going to go do some utility work. We'll go new. Let's say we got a catch basin. This is going to do is, as we're out there collecting data, we can skip a lot of steps, and we can just do a one-point click. We can just click one shot and be able to take the shot, drop it in the correct layer, color code it, and move right along with just one click. So we'll just do a couple more. Let's say we're going to do we're doing irrigation, right? Let's say I've got a 2-inch valve. So you get the picture, right? Back of curb, edge of paving, finished floor, catch basin, 2-inch valve, right? So what we can do, and you can even add things like high points, low points, if you're just going to try to collect like topo data or something like that, and you want to measure something out. So let me show you this. So now we'll close this out. If I go click that QC here on the right hand side, look at that. There's my back of curb, edge of paving, finished floor, catch basin, a 2-inch valve. And what I can do is, let's say, okay, I'm going to come over here. All right, let's say that's going to be my edge of paving. It's not perfect, but for our purposes right now, we'll go ahead and take this shot. I'm going to click edge of paving, and right away, look at that. Here's my point right there. If I go hit my eye down here in the corner, it'll tell me there's my point number one, dropped in edge of paving. There's my northing, my easting, my elevation, dropped in the correct layer and everything. So this is one that where I think it's just important that just kind of put this quick video out so people can see it. It's one that I use an awful lot. So give it a try if you're out there collecting data. Or if you're a sales guy out there demoing to people and you want to go show off some of the measure side of the measure design build workflow. There's a great quick tip. Thanks.